In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive. This integration is a fantastic way to enhance your productivity, making it easier to manage your documents and resources right within Notion. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Notion website. Once you're there, log in to the specific workspace where you want to set up this Google Drive integration. You'll be greeted by your Notion dashboard, which is where all your organization magic happens. Next, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see an option that says Add a Page. Go ahead and click on that. This step allows you to create a dedicated space for your Google Drive files. Now, from the menu that appears, you will want to select Empty Page. This choice gives you a blank slate to work with, making it easy to set up exactly how you'd like. Once you have that empty page open, it's time to give it a name. Click on the title area, this is usually found at the top of the page, and enter a descriptive name for your page. You could call it something like My Google Drive Files or Important Documents. The choice is totally yours. Now, we need to activate the integration menu. To do this, simply move your cursor to the body of the page and type a / like this, /. This action opens up a wide variety of options to choose from, but for our purposes, we want to find Google Drive. Start typing Google Drive, and you'll notice the option will appear in the menu. Once it does, click on it. This will allow you to connect your Google Drive account to Notion. After you've selected the Google Drive option, you'll see another drop-down menu appear. Here, select Browse Google Drive. At this point, Notion will prompt you to choose and sign in to the Google account that contains the files you wish to link. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete this sign-in process. Once you've successfully logged in, all your Google Drive files will become accessible right from within Notion. So, click on Google Drive in the menu again, and you should now see your list of files. This is super helpful because you can select documents directly to interact with them on your Notion page. You might want to organize these files further. You can create subpages for different projects or topics and pull in files from Google Drive as needed. It keeps everything tidy and makes it easy to track your progress or reference important files while working on your projects. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly integrate Notion with Google Drive. This streamlined approach allows you to maximize your workflow and keep your important documents just a click away. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to enhance your productivity with Notion and other tools. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!